Hello, welcome. We have been told to solve the simultaneous equations below. This one, we always use substitution method. We can say, let this one be equation 1, and this one here be equation 2. And then we take this lower equation and make y or x the subject of the formula. Let's make y. We take x the other side, and therefore y will be equals to 4 minus x. And then in this one here, we use now the first equation. Where there is y, we substitute with 4 minus x. Hence, we will have x squared plus 4 minus x squared is equals to 26. Then we expand this one here. We're going to have x squared plus 4 minus x multiplied by 4 minus x is equals to 26. This one means 4 you multiply by everything in this bracket and negative x you multiply by this bracket. You're going to have x squared plus 4 multiplied by this bracket, which is 4 minus x, then negative x multiplied by the second bracket, which is 4 minus x, which will give us 26. When you open this bracket, you will have x squared plus 4 times 4 gives you 16 minus 4 times negative x is negative 4x. Then negative x times 4 gives you negative 4x. Negative x times negative x, that is positive x squared, is equals to 26. When you collect the like terms, x squared plus x squared, that gives you 2x squared. Negative 4x minus 4x, that gives you negative 8x. Then you'll have plus 16. If you bring this 26 this side of the equation, you're going to have minus 26 is equals to 0. If you simplify this one, you will have 2x squared minus 8x minus 10 is equals to 0. We can simplify further this quadratic equation by dividing everything by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. Finally, our simplified quadratic equation will look like this: x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. We can now solve this one and find the value of x. We can use factorization method, where we find the product and sum. Product is taking the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is negative 5, and therefore our product is negative 5. Sum is the coefficient of x, which is negative 4. We look for two numbers that when you multiply them, you get negative 5, and when you add them, you get negative 4. Those two numbers will be negative 5 and 1. If you multiply, you get negative 5. If you add, you'll get negative 4. We replace this middle value here with these two values. We just add x here and x here. We're going to have x squared minus 5x plus x, then minus 5 is equals to 0. You group them into 2 and then you factorize whatever is common. Between these two, whatever is common is x, factor it outside. You're going to remain with x minus 5 inside. Whatever is common between these two is 1, positive 1. You factor it outside, you're going to remain with x minus 5 inside is equals to 0. Then if these two brackets are the same, put this one under one bracket. You're going to have x plus 1 and x minus 5 is equals to 0. Meaning either this one is equals to 0 or this one here is equals to 0. You can say if x plus 1 is equals to 0, and then if you take 1 the other side, x will be equals to negative 1. Or x minus 5 is equals to 0. If you take 5 this side of the equation, x will be equals to 5. We have two values of x. We can start when x is negative 1. What will be the value of y? We say when x is equals to negative 1, we go back here where we said y is equals to 4 minus x. When x is negative 1, y will be equals to 4 minus x. X is negative 1. We'll get y is equals to 4 minus minus is plus. Therefore, it will be 4 plus 1, which is 5. And therefore, when x is negative 1, y is positive 5. Let's go here. when x is 5, what will be the value of y? We substitute here again. Y will be equals to 4 minus x, which is 5, and therefore our y will be equals to -1. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in our next lesson.